If you have followed me since 2020, you know that BI Consulting Pro is about Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. It's a platform which helps you to grow in your career and to do end-to-end data and analytics solutions. It was not about tools, it was just the starting point to help you out. At BI Consulting Pro, we go deeper into strategy, insights, and helping businesses to make the right decisions. The organizations who wants clarity, professionals who wants to take leverage of the data and trying to make the data-driven decisions. This is the right platform for you. My name is Ajay Kumar, this is BI Consulting Pro, and here we help you to explore the world of data and AI. We generate the real insights, we deal with the real data problems, and we help businesses and professionals to grow in their life. If this is something you are looking forward to, do subscribe to this channel, become a member, and let us help you to grow in this world of data and AI.